Let's talk about NAWEC ak seen meter transfer policy bi. 23rd of last month, they issued a public notice. So you move from a house or shop, you can no longer take your meter to your new place. Basically, the meter you bought for 8,500 belongs to the property. So move into a place with an existing meter. Amga sans. Bufa meter nehut, you have to apply for a brand new meter. Now, if you hear this, you would think, why is this a problem? Just get a new meter. Yombe would no waji. Problem binte kemoy. Getting a meter is not like buying fish. You will have to go there, pay 500 to fill out an application. Then after you call la, you go to the bank and pay 8,500. Then ga talk about a month. You inspect. Gannaaw loolu you'll probably be going for follow-ups. Parce que fàtte nañ sa mbir. If you're looking at xam fa nit, they can help with the process mu gaaw tuuti. The whole bureaucracy daal will take you about 8 weeks roughly. Ñaareeli problème bi mooy meter bi dafa cher torop si loo moomut. Not a lot of people have that money to spare. $9,000 is with so much stress just to get it. Then nga fay electrician $1,500 to get you connected. I am sure it's almost nothing to some people, but hey, ñetteel bi mooy some of the meters do not cut off electricity bu sa cash power jeexee, and it can go on for months. Léegi unplanned debt boobu mu accumulate, borom move out, who's gonna pay for it? Is it the owner of the property wala next occupant? Parce que you cannot tell me NAWEC dañoo dem wëri ki fa dëkkoon. So ana seen safety and accountability. And lastly, in case of eviction or nga move out abruptly for some reason, fi nga jëm bu amagul meter, danga apply toog si lëndëm ak tàngaay, doo mën a puub si leer, no electronics, mu disrupt sa daily life noonu. For how long? 2 months? Keroog am na ku ma gis mu bind ne lii good idea la. Gambien yi dañ dellu gannaaw, dañ war a bàyyi seen yi lan mooy ay transfer meter. Ma ne ko loolu waxi ko yàlla jàppale la. Some of you have it easy, but mënuñoo wax the same for most Gambians. Ba pare NAWEC sax, all this trouble just for you to come and kimit kamaj. Lii kenn mënul koo wax yépp. Man I think NAWEC dañ ko war a privatize or ñu invite beneen provider gars yi compete. Loolu war naa mun a am, I believe. Ku ci xam dara let me know. Because Turkish power ship, it's a good example. Like if they had enough capacity pour réew mi yépp and sell directly to us and not to NAWEC, that could be very interesting. Although I don't think the government will ever allow it. Parce que NAWEC is state-owned, obviously. So it's safe to say we are stuck with them for now. Nañ naxante rek officers. NAWEC yéen it dee leen di ba xel baadoola yi. Ñu ngi leen di ñaan dee leen di ba xel baadoola yi. Ñun de we try to use our platforms for good. I'm not even a serious YouTuber, but lii du dara lu du constructive criticism say. Yal na ñu yàlla boole defal jàmm. Yàlla dolli yërmande suñ diggante. Allahumma la sahla illa ma ja'altahu sahlan wa anta taj'alul hazna idha shi'ta sahlan.